Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So di video kali ini aku bakalan bikin license Kushita Creative Comedian aku Tania dan Lana Uzama. So yeah, without further ado, let's start di sini itu ada 10 pertanyaan. So yeah, untuk pertanyaan pertama dan maksud aku itu 5 pertanyaan itu kategori kayak album, Mario dan others, dan 5 lagi itu kayak question. Untuk pertanyaan pertama yaitu album. Untuk album aku ada album Ini maaf aku kayak itu. Now there's a lot of people in the crowd, but only you can dance for me. So put your hands on my body and swing that around for me, baby. You know I love it when the music's loud, but come on, sit that down for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yap, ini license-nya kayak gini. You know that since the day I met you, yeah, you swept me off my feet. You know that I don't need no money when your love is beside me. Yeah, you opened up my heart and then you threw away the key. Girl, now it's just you and me, and you don't care about where mini gold bar, not mini gold. Next category is Eric. Ada 3 Erics. Ini Eric Muscles. Ini Eric Sausage. Eric Sausage. Dan Eric Croissant. Next question is Cutie Creative. This is Cutie Creative baru aja dirikan. Bukan jijik ya, tapi aku bakalan upload video setiap hari kalau. Next question is HK Sweet Cafe that I don't have. Next question is Punimaru. First Punimaru is Punimaru. This one, what is this? Pumpkin yang versi Halloween. Dulu tuh aku udah kayak sering bikin video, cuman gak pernah diupload. Kemarin udah 3 bikin video tapi gak upload. Males gitu. This Punimaru Animal Jumbo Donut. Next question is best license Kushi. This one. Ini baru aja dirikan. Next question is worst in the license. This one. Karena ini kayak bener-bener bau sosis dan aku gak suka sosis. Next question is Kushi's license Kushi's. This one. Next question is ini untuk heart, ini macaron, ini license, dan ini untuk softness. The last question is wishlist license Kushi dan aku all of Yummy Bear, Panda dan So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Dan jangan lupa share aja, share ke teman-teman kalian. Video.